Hi everybody, and welcome back to Highlights at Home, where the theme for this new pack-up of free digital resources is Countdown to the New Year. I think it's safe to say that we're all pretty excited about this countdown. 2020 has certainly been a year full of difficult challenges, but we hope that you've also managed to find some joy in it. Maybe staying safer at home with your family allowed you to get to know your children better and they you. Or perhaps your family discovered a new hobby that you enjoy doing together. Or maybe the pandemic simply forced you to slow down and made it possible for you to be more fully present in the moment with your kids. When we started Highlights at Home last April, back when the pandemic was just beginning, we urged you to make a 2020 time capsule to help your family remember this once-in-a-lifetime event that was being experienced by families all over the globe. And many of you wrote to say that you did just that. You collected your children's stories and drawings and arts and crafts created during this time, as well as photographs of your family having some good times together. And you've created a special collection that will help your kids look back and remember not just the sorrow and the disruption of this period, but also the good memories you made together. If you haven't made a 2020 time capsule yet, it's not too late. We've included some tips in this pack-up. Parents, we see you. We know it wasn't easy to be a parent this past year, but you helped your kids make the best of a very difficult situation. And even though the next several months are likely to be more of the same, we can legitimately feel optimistic about the coming year, and we can share our optimism with our kids as we count down to 2021. We said it back in April, and we'll say it again because we believe it. Parents, you've got this. From all of us at Highlights, Happy New Year, and take care.
Hey parents, find more great videos on Highlights for Grown-Ups, the channel that helps you help your kids be their best selves.